Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I hope you are all well. Today, I will show you a very important tutorial for those who have their own website or blog site as well. Because when we publish a blog post or website post, then we need to make a thumbnails for blog post or website post as well. But you have to do it quickly as early as possible for rapid post for your blog site or website. Today I will show you how to make a wonderful blog post thumbnails quickly using Canva. Let's start. Before starting my tutorial, I am requesting to all of you, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Let's start. Dear viewers, you are watching the channel of Lutfor Rahman, the digital expert. Before doing this procedure, you need to open your blogger site. Now I will open my blogger site, blogger dashboard as well. I have prepared a post. I have prepared a post, you are watching on the screen that, but I didn't add any thumbnails yet for you, because I will show you how will I make it as early as possible or quickly for my blog post. So let's start. Before starting this, you need to open another browser, another tab for your own browser. As I am using Chrome browser, so I open another tab. So now I will go the canva.com, canva, canva.com, and press enter. Then you will see such type of home screen. If you don't sign in, please sign in. Then you will see there's such type of home screen in front of you. Then you will search social media from the various kinds of icon here. Yes, I have found it. Now click this social media. Then at first, the first option, quick create collection, and you have to click here. Quick create collection means you are able to make a quick design by this menu. But how did you do that? I will show you. Yes, now there are various kinds of options here, but you need to find out Facebook post. Although it is Facebook post, but it is very useful for the blog post as well. So click here and make sure it is selected, and then continue in the left corner. And now you need to paste here your blog post title here. I will copy now, and then I will paste it. And another option, additional text. Here I will write my website name, www.lutfor11.com. Yes, now press the below button, continue. Then you have another option. You need to add or upload a image and logo of your website. Now I will add my logo. Now I will go to the image related logo, blog post related image. Now I will download from the Google. Now I will press the another tab, open the another tab, and now go to the image. Now write yes, this is my blog post related image. Now I will download it, save images, and now save. Yes, now I will go to the again my Canva dashboard. Now I will upload my blog post related image from desktop. Now I am finding it. Yes, I found it. Now I am uploaded. Yes, then you can see that there are various kinds of design here, but you have to choose what kind of uh, template design you will choose for your own website as well. Now another work I need to do, templates and yes, this is the templates. There are you can see there are 1 2 3 4, there are 4 menu here, and you need to complete all our 4 menus here. Now I will choose my own template design here from a blog post. Yes, now I am finding. All are very fine design here. All are very fine design. You need to suppose I will choose it, then you select it, and then you can change the background color from clicking this style. You have to need if you want to change your background color of this image, then you need to press the style, and then there are 3 options or many options here. Yes, this kind of background color you can choose here. There are very many design here. What kind of design you can choose here, but I need to do this kind. No, this kind. Yes, I will choose it. Now finish. Click on finish. Your template is ready to download. Yes, click the download menu and preparing to your download for your blog post. Yes, now I will rename it and then save. Yes, this is my this is my thumbnails for my blog post as well. You can easily create it. You need to collect a image or logo and your blog post title. Otherwise you need not anything to do it as well. So let's create it. Let's post my finish my post. Now I will upload my blog post thumbnails here. Upload from computer, then destination to my desktop, and now I will find it. Yeah, I am finding it. Yes, this is the desired thumbnails that I have prepared it few seconds ago. So now it will come to my blog post, extra large. Then this is my blog post thumbnails. Very nice. You can do it very easily within 3 or 4 steps. Now I will publish it. Confirm. Very fine. You can check it on entering my website as well. Then this is my website, and you are watching that very nice thumbnails here. You can easily use it. So dear viewers, that's okay. That's all for today. If you like my video, uh, please I am requesting to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for get another or more attractive tips from me. So goodbye, bye bye. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more information and regular update. Please stay tuned with me www.lutfor11.com. Thanks.